What a shame. She was such a nice girl until the Joker messed up her mind.
By now, everyone has heard of BatDave and Buster, New Jersey's greatest crime-fighting duo. But there was a time, not so long ago, where BatDave and Buster almost split up. That's right, almost split up. And this is that story.
Oh, come on, Buster. Don't tell me you're still mad at me over going solo last month. What? You know damn well why I left you home. It was for your own good. And stop crapping in my cowls. You've crapped in 5 cowls in 4 weeks. I know those are spite craps. Oh, very funny, Buster. You know why I didn't suit up at the fair that day. It was 104 degrees out. No. This discussion is over. Enough is enough.
I hate talking to Buster like that, but he just doesn't get it. I can't put him in harm's way.
No! call from Chief O'Hara concerning Harley Quinn. Quinn.
So let me get this straight. That whack job Harley Quinn's been spotted at the New Jersey State Fair? This sounds like an easy one, Commissioner. Let me put BatDave and Buster on this assignment.
Suspicious activity at the New Jersey State Fair again? Chief O'Hara, I'm on my way. No way, Buster. You're not going to the fair with me. And you're definitely not going on the Batcopter. Why? You're more afraid of heights than I am. I can't allow it, buddy. It's too dangerous. No. And that's my final answer. I'm sorry. Buddy, I can't allow it. You can't go up in the Batcopter with me. It's too dangerous. I'm flying solo this time. I'm sorry.
There's something definitely wrong with BatDave.
Right hand step right there.
Deal with it. I'm just looking for Captain Gene Knock, the pilot and owner of the original 1960s Batcopter. No, I'll keep you posted.
BatDave without Buster's like peanut butter without jelly. I don't see this ending very well.
I've been around this place
BatDave's gonna F this up. I better call in some backup.
The world's smallest girl. Won't believe your eyes when you see the two-headed chicken and the world's smallest monkey and the two-faced kitten. These are just a few of the many attractions you are about to see. So get your tickets now and start your journey into the world of the strange, the unusual, and world of insane. And Dolores Fuller, the world's smallest girl. Won't believe your eyes.
BatDave's in over his head. Time to call in the big guns. Patch me through to the Dark Knight. That's right. I said the Dark Knight.
We gotta take a picture, Batman.
Oh boy. Wait till I tell BatDave that we just sent the Batcopter to Gotham City to track down Two-Face. BatDave. Bad news. We had to send a Batcopter to Gotham City to track down Two-Face.
Gotta be kidding me. No, this is unacceptable. No Batcopter? I need a Batcopter. I need aerial surveillance. Oh, Captain Jim's on assignment. No! This is ridiculous. I need aerial surveillance. Whatever. I need aerial surveillance. Aerial surveillance.
$3 a razor to water gun race.
Aerial surveillance.
First one to the top wins.
BatDave's losing it. I can feel it.
Luke, that BatDave's a real wacko.
Yeah. But do you think he can get me Buster's autograph? What the?
copter. I swear to God.
Need some backup.
No, I'm fine. You want to help me? All right. Let's do this. She's in the fun house.
Yes, Dark Knight? What? You captured Harley Quinn? Fantastic. Hold on, Dark Knight. BatDave's on the other line.
Bad news, Chief. No Batcopter today. No Captain Jean. And no Harley Quinn. She got away. I tried my best, but couldn't do it. What? You got her? You got Harley Quinn. After I couldn't. You think I could take credit for it? Correction. I got her, Chief. No problem.
Way to go, BatDave. What a jackass.
Oh, my poor buddy. What we do to you. I'm so sorry. This is the best dog on the planet. I love you, Buster. Okay, so now...
We done here yet? Cold.
Yeah, we're good.
What a waste.
BatDave! Buster, I'm so glad we were able to work things out. A friendship like ours means more to me than all the money in the world. Bus? Bus? Buster!
Hi, Buster. Hi. What are you doing? What?